Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Mitsubishi Outlander 2017 Easy Guide. Begin by parking safely and lifting the front with jack stands placed under the factory lift points. Remove the oil filler cap to vent, then slide a drain pan under the oil pan and carefully loosen the drain plug. After draining, replace the gasket, remove the old filter, install the new filter lightly oiled, and refill with the correct amount of 5W30 oil. Start with the engine warm, but not hot to reduce oil viscosity and speed draining while avoiding burns. Position a drain pan under the oil pan and use a wrench to loosen the drain plug slowly, letting oil flow freely until it tapers to drips. Inspect the drain plug and replace the crush washer if it looks flattened or damaged. Reinstall the plug and torque to the factory specification to prevent leaks before moving to the filter replacement step. Use a filter wrench to remove the old oil filter, keeping the catch pan beneath to collect residual oil. Wipe the mounting surface and smear a thin layer of fresh oil on the new filter gasket, then thread the new filter by hand and tighten it according to the manufacturer's recommendation. Refill the engine slowly with the correct quantity of 5W30 oil. Run the engine briefly to circulate oil, then check the dipstick and top off as needed while watching for leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.